Hey lovely people, welcome back to Old School Netizen. As it is famously said that you are what you eat. मतलब जो आप खाते हो वो आपकी बॉडी और आपके हेल्थ में रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. And that is why eating good and eating right is very very important. Eating outside once in a while doesn't really bother your health much. What really bothers is what you eat on day to day basis. यानी आप रोज़मर्रा के ज़िंदगी में जो खाना खाते हो वो आपको कितना हेल्दी या फिर अनहेल्दी बना रहा है. सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट 5 मोस्ट नीडेड किचन रिप्लेसमेंट्स, यानी 5 ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपको अपनी किचन में तुरंत रिप्लेस कर देना चाहिए. And trust me, the products I'm going to talk about are already there in your kitchen and you are using it on day-to-day basis. And trust me, those are not making you healthy anymore. So, what can we replace with them? What are the better alternatives? Let's find out. The first thing I'm going to talk about is refined sugar. Needless to say, one of the most harmful products that we all have in our kitchen is refined sugar. Well, talking about its side effects, from where do I start? It's high on cholesterol, it weakens the immunity, it makes you gain weight, even it damages the skin that leads to premature aging. And we have it every single day. But what's the alternative? Well, there are a variety of alternatives available in all kind of market. And the better options are always the one which are less filtered and more natural. I suggest replace refined sugar with jaggery powder. हिंदी में हम जिसे कहते हैं गुड़ शक्कर. Jaggery powder are widely available in all departmental stores and online. Jaggery has a lot of benefits. It helps in digestion and it's full of antioxidants. Another very good option is stevia. Stevia is natural and has great benefits too, like controlling blood sugar and lowering blood pressure. So, what are you thinking? Stop having refined sugar right now and go for better alternatives. The next food or the ingredient that I'm going to talk about is undoubtedly used in each and every household every day and several times. I am talking about salt. Actually, the salt that we use, the white salt, is actually called refined salt, which has a lot of side effects. Eating too much of this salt results into bloating, PMS, and even as serious as kidney stones. But how can we replace salt? Well, we don't have to. We just have to make better choice. We must replace refined salt with rock salt, or in Hindi which we call sendha namak. There are many varieties of rock salt that are available these days, which are all beneficial as well. But not all of them are actually good for Indian cooking and eating types. Sendha namak is absolutely perfect and healthy for Indian cooking. It improves digestion, boosts metabolism, and helps in weight loss too. So from now onwards, switch to rock salt or sendha namak. The next product that I'm going to discuss is a very common breakfast food, which is bread. Well, there are a varieties of options like whole wheat bread, brown bread, multigrain bread, etc. But most of these have another extremely harmful ingredient, which is refined flour, yani maida. Maida itself is quite harmful for health and has extremely less nutritional value. It causes indigestion, diabetes, heart problems, and even obesity. But does that mean you should stop eating bread? Well, no. But next time, whenever you buy a pack of bread, don't just go for the name only. Check the ingredients too. Sometimes the pack that has written whole wheat bread actually has maida as the main ingredient. Go for breads where the main ingredient is whole wheat, which is atta. Another product that you should definitely replace is refined oil. Well, one thing for sure, anything with refined is not actually fine for health. Refined oils have huge varieties, but all are extremely harmful for health. Well then, what alternative can be used? Well, a lot of people have started using olive oil. Olive oil is definitely healthy, but an absolute disaster for Indian cooking. Olive oil has a very low smoking point and it's good only for sauteing vegetables and drizzling on salads. But in Indian household, the kind of cooking we do, we need oils that has high smoking point. And the best options for Indian cooking are ghee and mustard oil. Don't be shocked, ghee being unhealthy is a myth. Ghee is extremely healthy and natural, but definitely should be used in a limited quantity, which is applicable to all kind of oils too. Mustard oil itself also has a lot of health benefits. So for cooking, always be old school and trust what we have been using for years. Now the last thing I'm going to talk about is something we may not use on every day, but quite often: noodles and pasta. In general, maximum brands that sell noodle and pasta are made of refined flour or maida. So before buying these products blindly, just go for the ingredients. If it says wheat flour, means it's comparatively healthier than the others, as it's high on fiber, iron and vitamin B. At the same time, for pasta, always go for pasta that is made of semolina or suji. A lot of time it's written durum wheats in many packets of pasta, which also means suji. It's absolutely high on vitamin B and fiber. Well, does that mean you can never have refined sugar, refined oil or maida? Well, the products I talked about are for daily usage, and having refined sugar, maida, even refined salt on everyday basis are absolutely unhealthy. So if you can stop eating them on daily basis, sometimes you can definitely enjoy those, and that too without guilt. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and for more such videos, please subscribe to Old School Netizen. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay sustainable.